Okay, first thing we need to know is how to work out the midpoint of a line. The midpoint of a line is simple. We take, if one point has coordinates 5, 13, and the other point has coordinates minus 1, 1, the middle of the line, which is going to be somewhere here, is going to have an x-coordinate, which is the average of the x-coordinates, and a y-coordinate, which is the average of the y-coordinates. What's the average of 5 and minus 1? Well, that's 5 plus minus 1, which is 4 divided by 2. And 13 plus 1, which is the y-coordinates, and together divide by 2, we get 7. So 2 is halfway between minus 1 and 5, and 7 is halfway between 13 and 1. So it then says C has coordinates 0, 7. The line passes through C and is parallel to the line AB. Now, if it says parallel to the line AB, that means it has the same gradient as the line AB. So first of all, we need to work out what the gradient of line AB is. Well, we know that to get from A to B, or B to A actually, I'm doing them this way around because B, if we're looking at the x values, is before A. So there's B, there's A. And as we go from B to A, we go across by minus 1 to 6 is 5 is 6. And we go up from 1 to 13, so we go up 12. We're just comparing the x-coordinates and the y-coordinates. So from B to A, the rise is 12, the run is 6. And the gradient is worked out by dividing the rise by the run. So there's the run, there's the rise, and the run always goes left to right, and rise is positive if it goes up and negative if it goes down. So the gradient is equal to the rise over run, which is 12 over 6. It's 2. Now, the line L passes through C and is parallel to line AB. Parallel to line AB, so it has the same gradient. So if we're looking at y equals mx plus c, we know that it's y equals 2x plus c, because m stands for the gradient, and the gradient is 2. So now we need to work out c. C is where the line goes through the y-axis. And we could plug in these values now and work out what that is. Remember, when you have an equation like y equals mx plus c, or y equals 2x plus c, or y equals 10x minus 4, it's an equation which relates the y-coordinate to the x-coordinate for any point on that line. So what we're saying is for any point on this line, the y-coordinate will be double the x-coordinate plus something. So here we've got a point which is on the line. We know the x-coordinate is 0, the y-coordinate is 7. So what we now want to do is stick those values of x and y into this equation. X is 0, y is 7. And if we do that, we get 7 equals 2 times 0 plus c. 2 times 0 is 0, so we get 7 equals c. So now we know that it's y equals 2x plus 7, and that is our answer for the line. You could shortcut this by just noticing that 0, 7 is actually the y-intercept, and therefore you could plug in 7 straight away. But if you weren't given a value which was the y-intercept, then you could substitute in the values as we did for the x and y coordinate into the unfinished equation with the c still to work out, and that would be how you'd work it out.